For all who don't know what tuna is, here you go. This is a cactus. It's from the cactus family. So that's a blooming. Yeah, as you see there. So this plant is very, 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 very powerful. Yeah, I will speak more on it. But this is what the cactus plant looks like. Yeah, man. Respect our manners. Alright, so health benefits of tuna. First, what it does, it soothes pain because it's naturally a cell replenisher, meaning it helps with repairing cells. Tuna is a great source of boosting immune system activity, so it's naturally an immunizer. Also, it protects the liver. It also protects the heart. Tuna also replaces all mucus. So what it does, it gets rid of mucus out of the body. This is why it is good for joint pain, because you know that there is no disease in the body but the accumulation of mucus. So tuna also is a high valued electrolyte, even more. It has more electrolyte than coconut water. Use tuna today to heal your body. Have a beautiful day.